Stadium Jury, but this is a wonderful run by Johan Blake. He's absolutely powering his way through. Spearman's coming through along with Lemaitre. Now then, there's a slow down by Blake, and it's between Lemaitre and...
Well, gets away where, well, Ngakwe inside him, absolutely left for standing, and Usain Bolt is coming away. Chambers in second place. Usain Bolt...
Näin hän lähdetään nopeasti liikkeelle ja sieltä Asamoah Mauualla vieläkin on pääpyydössä. Nyt mies nousee ylös, katsotaan juokseeko ihan täysillä loppuun saakka.
It's another good start from Christian Coleman, who's up into his running. Aaron Brown and Canada's got some work to do here. It's a blanket finish for the rest of them. Wow, very, very...
We've got Ogando giving him a good run for his money here now. Has Tebogo done that little bit extra here? Ogando's right with him. It's going to be very close here. But Tebogo's just got to strength. Looks across, looks relaxed. 1987.